Hello there, this is Mahbub, and today's video tutorial we are going to learn how to increase the maximum upload file size of your WordPress website. So for that you have to go to your WordPress admin panel, and then from the media section uh, go to add new page, and here you can see the maximum upload file size. So let's see how to change that. First we need to open the current activated theme functions.php file. You can use the theme editor. Go to theme function, and now we are going to add a filter. Add filter, upload size limit, and then we are going to add a callback function. cb. I'm going to add a prefix. Now we are going to add the function. And we take a parameter which is called a limit. Now we are going to return our required size. So we want to allow user to upload maximum 2 megabyte. So we have to add a 2, then add 60, and that's it. Now update the file edited successfully. Then if we again go to the admin section, you can see the updated megabyte number. Now we are going to increase that. So simply go to the function one more time, and we are going to increase that to 12 megabyte. So just add a 1 before the 2 and click that. It's working. I hope that helps, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel